Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of b where b to the power b is equal to 15. Okay, questions have given b to the power b is equal to 15, or taking ln on both sides we can write here ln of b to the power b is equal to ln of 15, or now this b move here, so we can write b times ln of b is equal to ln of 15. Now let x is equal to ln of b, so the value of b is equal to e to the power x. So we can write here b, that means e to the power x times ln of b is equal to x is equal to ln of 15, or rearranging left side we can write here x times e to the power x is equal to ln of 15. Now taking Lambert double function on both sides we can write here w of x times e to the power x is equal to w of ln of 15. Now we know Lambert double function when w of a times e to the power a is equal to a. So here we will get x is equal to w of ln of 15. Now here we can use calculator, so we can write here w of ln of 15 is 2.708 and w of 2.708 is the approximate value of x is 1.001. Now recall x is equal to ln of b. So we can write here ln of b is equal to 1.001, or b is equal to e to the power 1.001. So the approximate value of b is 2.72. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.